characters, animations, buildings, blueprints, environmental elements, effects, music, materials, behavior trees, widgets, and PCG, all generated directly within the engine in a few minutes. This is Ludus 1.0. Let's walk through the most important changes. Ludus has long been able to generate objects and edit animation blueprints, but this time we have gone a step further. From now on, you can generate character sheets, skeletons, skeletal meshes, and the animations themselves. From scratch, straight to animation. Additionally, we have enabled seamless looping of animations, retargeting to other characters, and combining two animations together. You will find all assets generated along the way in your content browser and the asset library, which I will discuss in a moment. Let's see what this looks like. Add some life to your scene. You can animate literally any humanoid character. We have movement, but it is music and sounds that set the mood. Introducing audio generation features. Sometimes it's hard to describe something intangible, so use the prompt improver to turn a simple prompt into one that will create something matching your scene and expectations. Let's check how it turned out. We have music and ambient sounds. Now let's generate the sound of casting a frozen spell. We have added asset reference functions in the prompt. Thanks to this, you always have the certainty that Ludus knows exactly which resource from your project you mean and can shorten the search for the appropriate file. We have the sound of our spell. Let's hear how it sounds. You will now find all generated 2D, 3D, skeleton, skeletal mesh, animation, and audio assets in your asset library. Here, you can easily check the asset type, go to the conversation in which it was created, or to the appropriate folder in the content browser. Assets can also be used between projects. Click Import to enjoy your favorite character or sound in a new project. We have animations and sounds, but magic is missing here. From now on, you can generate particle systems thanks to Niagara support. Portals, smoke bursts, sparks, trails, whatever suits you. Let's leave the fantasy world for a moment. Ludus 1.0 supports generating prototype objects using blueprints. Let's create a 5-room house with a garage here. Also new is the planning function. Ask Ludus to present you with an action plan, and you will find out how he intends to carry out the task before he undertakes it. Accept it, reject it, or change it. Greater control, fewer iterations, better effects. Don't like the materials on your assets? Want to quickly change the style? No problem. From now on, you can create and edit materials with a single prompt. Let's check how this works on our chests. That was too simple. Let's check how Ludus handles a moving portal material. The prompt improver will help you describe the appropriate effect here. Emissive, outlines, scanlines, vignettes, it doesn't matter. It's easy now. Ludus 1.0 is based on a completely new system, thanks to which we can go even beyond the scene itself. Introducing widget generation functions. It doesn't matter if you need a mana bar, inventory, or menu for your game. One prompt and a reference, which Ludus can also generate for you, are enough to create atmospheric UI. Let's see how it works. We have the menu, but what about our scene when it gets dark? We could use some street lamps here. We'll use Ludus's newly added PCG support for this. Just say what you want to create, and Ludus will understand the space of your level and place the appropriate assets in the designated spots. This is just a fraction of the features and changes we've introduced, but we wouldn't have enough time in the day to show everything, and time and credits are important. That's why, thanks to our new system developed from the ground up, operations are now 10 times faster and 6 times cheaper. This also allowed us to optimize the performance of the entire system, so Ludus understands everything more accurately than ever before. Welcome to Ludus 1.0.